Part 6. Listening to Viewpoints. You will hear a report once. It is about 3 minutes long. After the audio, 6 questions will appear. Choose the best answer for each question from the drop-down menu.
Welcome, everyone. Tonight's topic is the proposal for a new off-leash dog park in the empty field by the community center. David, you brought this idea forward, so let's start with you.
Thanks, Maria. Yes, our neighborhood really needs this. Right now, dog owners have nowhere nearby to let their pets run freely and safely. A park would provide essential exercise and socialization for the dogs. It would also be a great way for neighbors to connect and build a stronger community.
I have to disagree, David. I've lived next to that field for 20 years. While I understand the need for pet exercise, I'm very concerned about the noise. Constant barking from morning until night would really affect the peace and quiet of our neighborhood. And what about the waste? Not everyone is responsible about cleaning up after their dog. The field could become very dirty.
Those are fair points, Sarah, but we can manage those issues. We can set park hours, say from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. to limit the noise. For waste, we'd insist on a mandatory cleanup rule. A volunteer group could help maintain the area and ensure it stays clean. Most dog owners are very responsible.
Most isn't all of them, and park hours don't stop dogs from barking loudly during the day when people are working from home. I also feel that space could be used for something that benefits more residents. What about a community garden? Many people have expressed interest in that. It would be a quiet, productive use of the land that encourages healthy eating.
A community garden is another idea we've heard before. David, what about funding for the dog park?
We've thought about that. We could apply for a city grant for the initial fencing and benches. After that, a small annual membership fee for park users could cover ongoing costs like waste bags. We believe it's a financially viable plan.
Okay, we have 2 different visions for this space. A dog park with rules or a community garden. It's clear we don't have a consensus yet. The next step for any proposal is to submit a detailed plan to the community association, including a budget and volunteer support. We need a formal plan before we can move to a vote. Thank you both.